Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Corpus Christi. Firstly, you need to open any of the web browser. And in the top, there's this address bar. You need to type down pay traffic ticket online in Corpus Christi and enter it. And from the search result here, you need to select this pay a citation online here in the top from the city of Corpus Christi. And once inside this home page here, you need to scroll a bit down. And from here, select this go to payment module here on the bottom. So from here, you'll get into this interface. You can simply search by the citation number here on the driver's license or any of the mentioned here. So what you need to do is simply type down your citation number here and you can select this search here in the bottom. And after that, you can review the citation and the amount due. And after that, you can complete the payment and you can save your confirmation. An online payment have 3% credit card fee plus 2.50 convenience fee. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.